Thinking about remodeling your home in 2025? Want to know which upgrades will actually increase your property's value and attract future buyers? Stick around because I'm breaking down the hottest home renovation trends that will give you the best return on investment. From smart home upgrades to sustainable materials and even the battle between open concept versus defined spaces. We've got it all covered. Let's dive in. One, smart home upgrades that attract buyers. First up, smart home technology. Buyers in 2025 aren't just looking for curb appeal, they want a home that's intelligent. Smart security systems features like video doorbells, motion-activated cameras, and remote-controlled locks add safety and convenience. Energy-efficient smart thermostats. Devices like Nest and Ecobee learn your habits and reduce energy bills. Big selling points for buyers. Integrated smart lighting and blinds. Imagine walking into a room and the lights adjust to your preferences automatically. It's the future. EV charging stations. With electric vehicle ownership on the rise, having a dedicated home charging station is a game changer. If you're planning to sell in the next few years, these upgrades can make your home stand out and sell faster. 2, sustainable materials and energy-efficient renovations. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's becoming the standard. Homebuyers are more eco-conscious than ever, and homes with green features are commanding top dollar. Energy-efficient windows and doors, these cut energy bills and improve insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Solar panels and battery storage. With incentives available, solar energy is a smart investment that pays off long-term. Eco-friendly flooring and countertops. Materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled glass are replacing traditional options. Rainwater harvesting systems, capturing and reusing rainwater for irrigation is becoming more popular in drought-prone areas. Not only do these upgrades reduce your carbon footprint, but they also attract buyers who prioritize sustainability. 3, open concept VA spaces. What's trending? For years, open concept living dominated home design, but is it still king? Well, the trend is shifting. Defined spaces are making a comeback. Homeowners now prefer designated areas for work, relaxation, and entertainment. Hybrid designs, semi-open layouts are growing in popularity, with large sliding doors or glass partitions maintaining a sense of openness while creating functional separation. Multi-purpose rooms, a home office that doubles as a guest room, a dining space that also serves as a study nook. Buyers love flexible layouts. If you're renovating, consider creating functional spaces that offer both openness and privacy. It's the best of both worlds. 4, kitchen and bathroom remodels with the highest ROI. Now let's talk about 2 of the most valuable renovations, the kitchen and the bathroom. These spaces can make or break a home sale. Quartz countertops, more durable than granite, and buyers love them. Smart appliances, think refrigerators that tell you when you're out of milk, or ovens you can control with your phone. Hidden storage solutions, built-in spice racks, sliding pantry shelves, and appliance garages add function and style. Showers, rainfall shower heads, built-in benches, and smart temperature controls create a luxury experience. Freestanding tubs. These remain a focal point for modern high-end bathrooms. Touchless faucets and heated floors. Simple additions that add comfort and appeal. A well-designed kitchen or bathroom remodel can yield a 70 to 80% return on investment, so choose your upgrades wisely. 5, how to modernize an older home while maintaining its charm. Own an older home? You don't have to strip away its character to make it modern. Preserve architectural details. Keep original crown molding, exposed brick, or vintage fixtures to maintain charm. Upgrade behind the scenes. Modernize plumbing, electrical, and insulation without altering the home's historic feel. Blend old with new. Use modern elements like sleek light fixtures or bold paint colors while keeping traditional woodwork. The key is balance. Enhancing your home's functionality while celebrating its history. And there you have it, the top home renovation trends for 2025. Whether you're upgrading for yourself or prepping to sell, these changes can boost your home's value and appeal. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.